Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, let's talk about the new LP farming on Bifrost, the Moonriver and the vMOVR. Overall, I'm going to cover the following topics. First, the Moonriver and vMOVR LP on the Bifrost. Second, how to get the Moonriver using Solarbeam. It's a DEX and how to send it to Bifrost. Third, how to mint the vMOVR and do the LP farming. Finally, we will do the LP impermanent loss discussion. So first of all, the vMOVR and the Moonriver LP farming just started today on Bifrost. The APY, the initial APY is very high. I missed that initial APY. For those of you who are not familiar with vMOVR is a shadow token of stake Moonriver. So basically you will stake the Moonriver on Bifrost. They will give you this liquidity token and then you can use that token to do some more things. And so, for example, if you stake, right, you stake the Moonriver and you will get a vMOVR, and after some time you can convert it back to Moonriver and the ratio could be changed, but the GLMR will be available on December 5th. Now let's talk about how to get the Moonriver. So first of all, on Solabeam, you can swap some Moonrivers. I'm going to show you how to do that. So now I swap a little bit Moonriver now. Now come back to the Moonriver tab. I'm going to withdraw some of them to the Bifrost. And so confirm and withdraw. Now go back to the Bifrost. You will see the Moonriver is there. Now I want to do the LP staking. So I need to get half of them. So I will put 2.6 and mint the Moonriver. And after the minting, I will probably get half of the Moonriver, full Moonriver, and half of the vMOVR. So go to the farm, you can see the LP farming is here. First, we need to get this LP. So go to the swap liquidity, and then put the max of your Moonriver and also the vMOVR, and you will get the LP. So now I have my LP. Go back to the farm. Click the deposit and put all of your LP. So I have, it's a huge number, but actually just maybe less than 0.5%. So it's not too many, but you can see that now it's already on the LP farming and you are going to earn some rewards. Now some of you may ask like, why you don't swap? Actually swap will give you more vMOVR. So I think you could do that. Actually, it's actually a good idea. So you can swap, but now the swapping ratio is one Moonriver is 0.98. But when you do the LP farming, there could be some impermanent loss. So I also make a small tool. You can calculate that. Now let's take a look at the LP, how to get the impermanent loss. So if you put the number here, you can calculate the impermanent loss. Let's say the original ratio is 1 versus 0.98. Now after some time is 1 versus 0.9. Then the impermanent loss is still minimal, is less than 0.1%. And from this calculation, you can see that. So if you just hold the vMOVR, right, then you will get the value is for $1,000. Then at the end the value will be 959, but if you hold the LP is 958. So the impermanent loss is not much, and given the APY of this LP on the farming, it's more than 70%, I think. So it's still a good idea to do the LP. I think overall this would be quite good for those who hold the Moonriver and if you want to get some actual APY. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.